Hi friends, we visited Deviston State Park in Arkansas recently. The park's unique characteristics are rock formation and caverns. Deviston State Park is in the Lee Creek Valley in the Boston Mountains, which are the southwestern part of the Ozark. An 8-acre lake for fishing and boating with canoes and paddle boats for rent. The park's hiking, backpacking, mountain bike, and horseback riding trails lead to the surrounding Ozark National Forest. This park has campsites and cabins for overnight stays and spend some quality time. There are events that are planned and conducted by the park admin to explore the park. The cell phone network coverage is limited across the park. We just spent a few hours in the park around the dam and visitor center. This is a great place for people who like to hike and hang out with pets, friends and family. Thanks for watching.